Kamusta na kayo? Hi, Dot. Good afternoon, guys. Hi, Jesus Corpus. Hi, Ayan. Hi, Woody. Hello, Woody. Hi, A1. Okay, ganda. Okay, ganda. Nag-alay sa'yo. Hi, A. Wala, nag-live lang ako, guys, for the cloud. Hi, A. Hi, Ash. Hello, Ash. Hi, Ting Ting. Bona. Hello, Bona. Hi, Mr. Fight. Hi, Paris. Hi, Corinne. How are you? Long time no see. Hi, Love Music. Hi, Jason. Carding. Wala. For the live lang person. Shit, naglalag ako. Hi, Kila. Hi, PG Go. PG Go. Hi, Pops. Ay, Pops ba? No name. Hi, Heartless. Welcome back to my live. Eh. Parang natuyuan ako ng laway, guys. Hi, user. Hi, David. Poging admin. Hi, Hosam. Hi, Kat. Hi, Kimi. How are you po? Hi, Robel. Hi, Rondel. Hi, Pepe. Ano name yan? Nalulog na naman siya bakla. Hi, mahal ko. Mahal ko, Charm. Ay, mahal ko, Cram pala. Hello, thank you for tap po. Parang nakuha ko bigla. Mainit kaya ngayon, guys. Sa totoo lang, mainit siya, be. Ano mga ganap niyo today? Huwag niyo napansinin yung bilbil ko, guys. For the cloud lang yun. Hi, Peach. Hi, Alive. Hello, Alive. Hi, Fauzi. Hi, Mr. Y. Hi, Ryan. Share live kayo, guys. Hindi kasi natin siya ma-share live. Hindi, diba? Kailangan isa-isa. Kailangan isa-isa siya, guys, bago i-share live. Diyan lang kayo. Stay there. Stay put. Nakuha ko bigla kasi nagkain ng ice cream tas walang tubig-tubig. Which is nakakauhaw. I feel thirsty. Hi, guys! Wait, guys. I'm gonna share my live first. Yes. I have to share my live. Hi, asawa. Hi, J-Max. Hi, Hosam. Thank you for talk. Good morning, good afternoon. Ano good morning? Afternoon na ba ko na? Hi, Nike. Ano yung pakita nila? Hi, Akil. Hi, Femor. Hi, Stitch. Hi, JR. Ozzy Mate. Hello, Ozzy Mate. Hi, 105 ID. Kanto kaya? Hi, Roberto. Engineer Renz. Hi, Marcelo. Hi, Kaloy. Hi, Buffy Slayer. Such a cute name. Ito naman tayo sa AI, guys. AI na naman yun sila. Mga nag-comment na yan. Hi, Lemon. Hi, Terabakan. Ano Terabakan? Mr. Fight, thank you for follow. Thank you so much. Hi, Green Force. Don't mind. Hala, thank you, Mr. Fight. Thank you for that heart. Hosam, thank you for follow. Wow, such a nice. Thank you, Hosam. My datin B. Hala, thank you so much, guys. Thank you, Abdul. Hi, Numeritos. Don't mind my baby fats, guys. They're just minding their own business. Hi, Danny. Oh my God, thank you, Hosam. Did I pronounce it right, Hosam or Hasam? Let me read it. Yeah, Hosam, I read it right. Good morning. Hi, Alex. No, it's afternoon here, guys, by the way. Hi, Wukong. Yeah, it's afternoon here. Hi, paramedic. Paramedic pala. My back hurts, guys. I don't know why. Hi, Zenith. Hello, Zenith. Hi, Boom ID. MCLP. Hello, MC. Hi, Robson. Hello, Kelvin. Hello po. Hi, Distraction. Hi, Birdman. Natuyo talaga yung lalaway ko, guys. Kasi nga, nagkain ako ng ice cream tapos hindi ko ininuman ng kung ano man lang dyan. Ito, okay lang po. Hi, Palaboy. 28 days lang ang February, guys. Sorry kayo. Hi, Joker. I'm finding my new top one because it's been a long time since I have a one. I'm from Philippines. It's been a long time. Hi, Taguro. Hi, Renz. It's been a long time since I have my top one. It's like August last year. Hi, Mr. Fight. No, my last top one was like in May. Hi, Leo. Hi, NBM. Yeah, my last top one just started for like January, so it's been a year. Glenn Hencho, what's that? And then he well done. He I mean he left Bigo like August or July. Yeah. July. So it's been like a month. Hi Casey. Or Calibre, hello. Yeah, hi Melvin. The last top one that I had is last July 2025. Hi Cici. Hi Melvin. Hello. Hi THT. Hi AJC. George Alejandro. Aroy, magiga ka dyan, girl. Hi, Gabar. Hi, Lods. Hello po. Ala, bullshit ka. Hi, Fendi. Ha? Ano? Meron din. Ay, wala na ata. Wala na. Hi, Abdu. Puro 100 na yun. Bullshit ka, akin natingin daw. Hi, Banner. Nagatipid nga ako eh. Ulong. Ay, din dito. Hi, here for you. Thank you for follow. How are you? Here for you. Yeah. Hi, Big Boss. Wala bang barya dito? Check ko. Kahit 5 piso lang sana. I mark my words. Eh, dito 10. Ito 15, oh. Wala na to. Check natin kung may barya pa tayo, guys. Hi, Miss Magic. Want video call. Where? Hi, I'm. Hi, Lex. Wala na. Wala na, Babs. Simot na ang wallet ng person. Hi, I'm. Follow me back. I'm on my second account. I will up this here. Follow that account. Now what I will up. Yeah, that account. Yeah, follow back that. I'm. Follow me back there. I'm on my second account, Kylie Babe. Hi, Lex. Shall we? Shall we, Lex? How are you? Hi, Tito Bantay. Wala din naman ako. You didn't follow me back. I'm on my second account. Hi, Squishy. Shall we? Bala kayo dyan. Di ko na kayo bati. Charis. Thank you, Lex, for follow back. Wala. Hi, Frosted. Good afternoon.